In New Hampshire, the growing population of older adults creates a significant need for supportive living environments where dignity is preserved. Starting an assisted living facility is more than a business venture. It is a response to a fundamental human need for safety, companionship, and a place that feels like home. In New Hampshire, the Department of Health and Human Services Health Facilities Administration sets the rules, ensuring resident safety. It's critical to understand the state's two main classifications: residential care facilities for those needing some daily help and supported residential healthcare facilities, which provide nursing services for more complex medical needs. Next, decide on the size and scope of your facility, from small home-like settings to larger communities. Consider if you'll offer specialized services like memory care, which requires specific building layouts and highly trained staff. Then, establish a formal business structure like an LLC or corporation. Consult a lawyer and accountant to choose the right one for your tax, liability, and capital needs. Obtaining your license from the New Hampshire DHHS is a critical milestone. First, verify local zoning ordinances before investing significant money. Then, submit a comprehensive application package. A pivotal part is the pre-licensure inspection, where a surveyor will check life safety codes, kitchen food safety, and room accessibility. Passing is mandatory. Choosing the right location is paramount. Double-check local zoning and design the facility for the safety and comfort of older adults. Your staff is the heart of your facility. Hire compassionate, qualified individuals. They are your greatest asset, providing daily care and support. Next, develop your operational policies, from admissions to emergency preparedness, and create person-centered care plans with residents and their families. Build your reputation through a professional website and by networking with local healthcare providers for referrals. Once open, expect unannounced inspections from DHHS. Always be prepared. While New Hampshire has no Certificate of Need program for assisted living, you still need full DHHS licensure. Need help? Visit carepolicy.us today. We'll get you licensed, compliant, band ready to serve your community with confidence.